Makoto Enoda. Today's Mako channel is about cooking. I want to make gummies easily using a microwave. I have gummy molds from a 100 yen store that came with a recipe. I want to try making gummies following the included instructions. Here are the ingredients. Now please watch how to make it. Let's start the channel. First, add juice, gelatin powder, and lemon or other flavorings to a microwave-safe mug, then heat in the microwave. Then, heat it at 500 watts for 30 seconds. Now, add granulated sugar and stir until dissolved. Now, place the mold on a tray and use a spoon to pour the mixture into the mold. Once you've poured it into the mold, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes until it sets. It's been chilled for 30 minutes now. I'd like to take these out of the mold. When removing them, just press from the back with your finger and they'll come out easily. And with that, it's done. Wasn't that easy? This time, I made a chiffon cake in the microwave. There weren't many ingredients, so it was really simple and easy to make. I hope everyone will try making it too. Now I'll taste it. See you next time. It's so jiggly. The texture feels a bit like a firmer jelly. It's not as soft as gummy candy, but still a bit tender. The texture is between a gummy and jelly, with a pleasant apple aroma. It's sweet and delicious. The firmness varies based on chilling time. I chilled it for about 30 minutes, but chilling it for an hour, 2 hours, or even a day might make it firmer. Everyone, please try making it with your favorite juice. Makoto Enoda also has a channel featuring do-it-yourself and makeup content if you're interested. Please rate, comment, and subscribe to the channel. With that said, this time Makoto Enoda shared a simple gummy recipe. Bye bye!